Hey guys, how's it going? It's Chris, and I got a package. I got a package from Miyoko's, and then I got another mystery package. So I'm just gonna open these up and see what they got going. It's perishable, and it's a very hot day, so we got to do this. I believe this is Miyoko's newest products, and I'm super excited, and it's pretty heavy. I don't know if that's the ice in there to keep it cool, or we'll find out. And then we got the mystery package over here. So let's get going, open this up. I'm in my squeaky chair. Enjoy. She's got the message of compassion right there. You know, she's got her own little mini sanctuary too. All right, so now these are some products that I haven't even had. Normally I get to try her products before it comes out in stores because I always see her at the expos, but the expo is canceled this year. So this is pepper jack cheese slices. She now has slices, and this is the farmhouse cheddar slices. If you don't know, Miyoko's makes some of the best cheese around. Everything is vegan. She has also got butter and just doing great things over there. We have the garlic chive roadhouse vegan cheese spread. Garlic chive. That sounds good. Garlic parm butter, and this one usually it's made out of cashews. This is made out of oat milk. Cultured vegan butters. Obviously, everything she does is vegan, certified vegan, and I'm excited to try these because I have never tried them. Then the other butter it's oat milk and it's hint of sea salt, and that one sounds pretty amazing as well. We still got more. All right, so in here, it's like, what do we got? Her European style cultured vegan butter. This is unsalted. It's a block of butter. If you guys haven't tried this before, try it. It's amazing. If that's a brand new product, I haven't tried it, but I have tried her regular butter, which you can find in stores, Wegmans, Trader Joe's, different stores like that. Cheese wheel. This is smoked English farmhouse. Tomorrow's Creamery. This is classic chive right there. And let me just open one from the box so you guys can see what it looks like. So it's like a chive cheese wheel. Pepper jack. It's like a block. It's a block of cheese. Sharp cheese. Pepper jack. Sharp cheese right there. And on the back it even says plant protein, good source of calcium. Pepper jack. And then the other one is a farmhouse cheddar. So there we go. I got some products to try. These, they all look delicious. Enjoy. Like that. All right, the next package here. We're gonna need the knife for this. Perfect. Hooray. Oh, so this one. Got a cold pack there. This is plant-based bacon, and it looks like bacon. It's Hooray Bacon. So I'm excited to try this, to cook it up and see how it comes out and see how it compares to bacon. There's a few different vegan bacon on the market, so yeah, that'll be interesting. And yes, it does look like bacon. It's got the different colors in there. It's got the reds and the more clearer color. You know, I wish we weren't in quarantine because I'd have maybe Craig come over and try this with me, or John, but anyway. All right, we got a few more boxes here, so we're gonna open them up. 2 perishables, 1 non. All right, so obviously that's Banza. Let's cut it open and see what if any new products they have. They make the garbanzo bean pasta. See what we got here. We got a card, Banza, rotini. I believe I've already seen that before. More rotini. Made from chickpeas. I got a ton of rotini. It's just a box full of rotini, and I think that they have a vegan mac and cheese, but maybe I'll make some pasta salad, stuff like that. All right, quick, simple pasta. A lot of protein too. So NadaMoo, this is obviously NadaMoo. And look at that, they're 15 years old, NadaMoo, and it's warm out, so I gotta get this in the freezer as soon as possible. Because I'm assuming it's ice cream, right? Okay. We have Rockiest Road. It's one of my favorites. They actually asked me ahead of time which ones I wanted, so I picked out my favorites. So, peppermint bark, strawberry cheesecake, and of course, the special birthday cake container for their 15-year birthday. 15 years old, birthday cake. NadaMoo. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in here where it's cold for now, till we open the last package here. Looks like it's gonna rain. And this says follow your heart, so let's see what they got. Now I've been eating follow your heart stuff since I went vegan a long time ago. In fact, I have a picture of me when I was a brand new vegan. I was about a year into veganism, and there's a picture of some Vegenaise back when it had the metal lid for the jar, and it's like right behind me. I'll see if I can find that picture. Got some bubble wrap. Ooh, we have a Vegenaise Cookbook. Didn't realize all the things you can make with Vegenaise. Well, yeah, actually, there's a lot of things you can make. A lot of sauces here. Buddha bowls, Asian broccoli slaw, potato salads, barbecue. It's a nice cookbook. Vegenaise Cookbook. I love the smell of new things. And of course, the original Vegenaise. Now, it's actually pronounced Vegenaise, but I like to call it Vegenaise, as well as a lot of other people. Original Vegenaise and avocado oil Vegenaise. So, yeah, 2 of those. 80 recipes in this cookbook. It's available at Barnes & Noble's, Amazon, Bookshop, and IndieBound. Somebody's walking their dog. Actually, they're jogging. Ooh, we got a very cold t-shirt. NadaMoo t-shirt. It's got that little birthday candle on it. It says NadaMoo. NadaMoo. It blew my color. It's starting to rain. All right, I have 2 more packages to open. I changed. It's a new day. It's raining again. This is Fragile. Protect from heat. All right, well, it's been super hot out here lately, 90, 95 degree weather, so let's hope it's all okay. It's a block of gold. I'm rich. It's wrapped really, really well. It is gold. We've got some chocolate bars here. We got milk chocolate. But wait, hold on. We're not done. Oh, and we got a little letter here too. Oh, this is on a chocolate wrapper. Hi, Chris. I hope you enjoy our chocolate and that it didn't melt. So it doesn't look like it melted. All right, so got another chunk right here. All right, so we have all of these chocolate bars to try. I've never had one before. It's called Whelpdale Chocolates. We got our bourbon dark chocolate, handcrafted in Louisville, Kentucky. Louisville. Vegan small batch bean to bar. And I can smell the chocolate right through there. Mint julep? Milk chocolate. Vegan milk chocolate. Soy milk powder. Bourbon mint. We have bourbon smoked sea salt. Rabbit hole. White chocolate. They even have white chocolate. There's the ingredients right there. Vegan raspberry white chocolate. And then we have the cookies and cream. Vegan cookies and cream. Okay, milk chocolate. We have cafe mocha. We're not done yet. We have white chocolate, just regular white chocolate. Ecuadorian cacao, 34%. And then the last one is dark chocolate. So they got milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate. They got a ton of different chocolate bars. Whelpdale Chocolates, thank you for the chocolate. And now for our last package. It's right here. Looks like it is a book. What do you guys think? A book? Vegan Cookbook for Athletes by my friend Anne-Marie Campbell. This is Meat-Free Athlete. And she's told me she was going to send me her book. She's got a new cookbook. It looks really nice. Look at that. And that makes me hungry just looking at that salad on the front, or the bowl, whatever it is. It's called the Vegan Cookbook for Athletes. So it's got 101 plant-based meals for athletes, all kinds of different things in here, air fried things, slow cooker, TVP, veggie bowls, protein, smoothies, juices. Nice. Get your pantry performance ready. And I last saw Anne-Marie when I was in Toronto a few months ago. So she told me about this. Congratulations on your cookbook, Anne-Marie. And I'll link it below if I can. She'll probably give me the link, and then I'll link it below for you guys when this can be. I think she has got an ebook too, so be on the lookout. And that brings us to the end of the video for real this time. I hope you guys liked it. Give me the thumbs up and subscribe with the bell so you don't miss the notifications. And stay safe. Watch out for zombies. I'll see you guys next time. Also, real quick, I want to let you guys know that HealthyCell, these are the supplements that I use. They're designed for vegans. They're like little gel packs right here. They're best when refrigerated, so I put mine right in the refrigerator. And then I'll take one, a couple times a week. And they kind of taste like a liquid version of Flintstone vitamins. They have your B12, your D3, everything you really need. And they're giving away these right here. You can get 2 sample packs of these for free, absolutely free, as long as your shipping address is here in the United States. They will pay for the shipping. They will send you 2 of these. All you have to do is follow the link. I just posted on my Instagram, so go check that out. The promo code for this is VZombie, but there should be a direct link to it. And if you're just looking to purchase their products, use code ZOMBIE and you'll get 20% off of these. So take advantage of it while it lasts, because you get to try some supplements, some vitamins. And that's all I have for you guys today. So I'll see you guys next time.